first question: did you learn about religions at school? Yes, we have. We definitely have like learned about religion at school. But it's not have a specific subject called religious. We just like learn about religious in some other subject. For example, like history. Um, history or like we have a subject called Vietnam học. In that subject that we learned about a lot of things about Vietnam, and in that we also have like religious um which Vietnamese they are like mostly believe in, and also in history every time that we are like learning about uh ancient literature, we also like need to search about their religious also, and because like religious is the thing is maybe the background of a lot of country, mostly in Asia, so it's kind of important in a lot of subject and a lot of topic we have learned about. Next is religious education common in your country? I think no, it's not common because um, in Vietnam, I saw that education they are most likely to focus on subject like science, math, or some practical subject, and religious um is like mostly with the activity of like its family background or its family activity, because if we like learned religious at school, so like different people they will believe in different things, so if you teach about that at school, it can maybe being in a few argument between students. Next, do you think it's important for children to learn about religion? Um, yes, I think that's quite important. Because religion is a thing that is strongly connected, is strongly related um, in our country cultural, um, conventional also, and also religious is also influenced in a lot of people behavior, and if children they can learn about religion, so they should know how to like have a good behavior with other in different religions, because they like um understanding about their religious, and will like have a good behavior with that. And also um learn about religions, and most religion is like help people to be like better at living. So yeah, when you know about when you learned and know about religious, you can also like be better, because most of religion they are like talk about like karma, which a lot of people believe in. uh and next is have you ever visited a religious site or temple? Yes, I have visited a lot, um, especially in Tet holiday. Um, in the first or second day of after like after New Year and lunar calendar, my family always choose one temple to visit, and we all always like praying for the better year, and also like wishing for it our family, and it's also one of our like traditional in Vietnam also. Part two is describe time when you learned something about religion. Um, uh, I would like to talk about our like um our last project, our last history project from like end of term test in last year. So in the project, we are likely to choose the country to like focus to research, get that information and present that. So we have chose Chinese, which have like it is country we have a long culture, and it's kind of easier for her to find information, and they are also like popular with their religious. I'm not sure about that name, but this religious is like focusing on like is most likely to like karma, and is focusing on like your life after that, like after that, if you have um do a lot of good thing in this life, so after that we can go to heaven or hell. And also they they strongly believe in karma, which is mean like if you do something bad, a lot of things bad will happen to you, and the same with that, if you do a positive thing, so your life is being like better day by day. um Also, and then uh, and then after like researching and learning about Chinese culture, and I'm kind of understand it can related about like our country also, and we mostly understand like um how can Chinese like they influence in our culture also. Next is part three. Part three. First question: should religious education be part of the school curriculum? Um, I don't think so. Um, this this opinion is can make a lot of argument, and I'm from this, and I'm disagree with this, because religious is just, I think should only be activity of each family or of each people. It cannot be their subject at school, because there are a lot of religious. Uh, they can like believe in different religious based on family background. Uh, they experience, so different people they we have like different backgrounds. So it means in school we will have a lot of people who like believe in different religions. And if you are like teaching about one other religious at school, so although if um what if they are like not believe in that and have a lot of argument about other religions, and is, and furthermore it can be go to a big fight of maybe like of student. And next is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of teaching religion in school? So it still have advantage like student will like understanding about culture diversity, they can learn, they can know about like why is different people in different countries they will have like their own traditional, how can like how can religious influence in their culture. But in the other hand, um, it may causes a lot of it may causes conflict. um it may cause a conflict if like students have too much argument about that. For example, like um if that lesson is only biased about just one religious, so it will make like some students, other students, believe in other religious, they could feel like uncomfortable, and is sometimes be a sensitive like topic at school, which is can cause a lot of argument if their teaching or talk about is wrong. Just even just one sentence, it will make like a difficult problem to solve it. At what age should students start learning about religion, if at all? So in my opinion, they should learn about religions in the age of 7 to 8. I guess so, because at that time, like they are already like go to school, is like they can know how to learn it carefully, and it's easier for them to like listen to like parent or the one who teach them. And as an age they can like they are old enough to uh, understand like the the idea or different viewpoint of the that religions, and is also have them easier to accept that religious. And last one is, do you think learning about different religions can promote tolerance? um I think yes, absolutely. Like when people are learning about like uh different religions, so they can like have a different thinking or different way of living.